My grandfather used to tell me that whenever things get tough, the difference between the ones that make it and the ones that don't are as simple as a clear head and not reacting to the situation. However, he forgot to tell me how to do it, and that's how I stumbled upon meditation. In this video, we're going to talk about the basics of meditation, how to get started, what worked and didn't work for me, and what to expect when you're going about it. And we're starting right now. Another good thing is that you don't need much to start with meditation. A place to sit and a quiet mind. So let's start with the basics. The basics are simple. Sit down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes, put your hands on your laps or on your belly, and breathe in and out without forcing the respiration. So let's go one by one. So the most normal position is to cross your legs, place your hands on your laps or on your belly. But if you're not feeling comfortable like this, allow yourself to feel comfortable. Lie on your bed, put your legs on the ground, whatever is necessary to feel relaxed, because that's pretty much the most important thing. I know some schools are very adamant about how you have to sit, but as a beginner, you shouldn't be hard on yourself. You should be kind to yourself. Another thing that it will help is closing your eyes. It allows you to get your mind out of the external world and focusing on breathing. When it comes to breathing, it's really important that you try and breathe from your belly instead of your chest. Basically, because when you're breathing from your chest, you're sending the sign to your body that you are under stress. And it's exactly the opposite of what we want to achieve. Relax the body so we can get into a much better meditation. So when you're in position, the last thing you need to do is concentrate on your breathing. Suspend judgment and wait for your thoughts to go away. Easy, huh? Well, it wasn't that easy for me. At the very beginning, as much as I tried, I struggled to concentrate. So one of the solutions that I got was this very nice guided meditations. You have a lot of apps that can give you that. You have Headspace, Intuition, and the one that I started with, that was the 21 days meditation from Deepak Chopra. And on those ones, you had an introduction, you have a mantra to go through, and in about 4 or 5, maybe 7 minutes meditation. That helped a lot getting started. Another problem that I faced was my mind playing tricks on me. It wasn't that easy to quiet my mind because I will have all of these negative thoughts coming into my mind. For example, in the middle of my breakup, I could actually have every single memory I had from that particular time coming into my mind. And blocking that out wasn't that easy. However, if you persist in that practice, you start realizing the impermanence of things. But even with those inconveniences, I have to say that meditation was the best thing I ever implemented into my life. Now I'm capable of doing hours of meditation with or without music. And I'm able to quiet my mind to allow me to get to places I haven't been before. On the mental side, it reduced my fear and my anxiety, and it allowed me to react to things in a very calm and secure way, with the knowledge that everything, including this, will pass. On the physical side, there were also lots of benefits. It reduced my blood pressure, I had better sleep, and I have a much better control over my pain. So all in all, it was an amazing result. I hope this video helps you to get started. And I'm going to include below some of the links to the apps that I used at the beginning. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm always happy to answer any questions. And you know how this goes. Comment, like, subscribe, and until next time, bye bye.